Thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Towards the end of December, I was able to find these LOZ, L-O-Z brand mini kits. I had purchased one, and these are all part of a set. And it was this one here, the toy shop or the gift shop. And I saw that there was all these other ones, but I couldn't find them readily. I eventually found them on a website called Gundam USA. I will link the store in the information below there. It was a great place to pick these other kits up, and in fact they have a lot of LOZ kits. I mean, probably 100. But it's a great store to buy from. Shipping was quick. It was nice. Everything arrived in good order. It wasn't all smashed up like you get from Temu, and oftentimes, unfortunately, also from Amazon. But yeah, so let's take a quick look at these other three kits here. I decided to do a Christmas in July and build them in July. So that's what this is all about. So this is the sled shop. You can see it's got some doggies and a little chalet. And then we've got the Santa Claus house. And sorry with the reflections. Unfortunately, they make these kits with a very reflective surface, so it's a little tough to do these videos, unfortunately. Yeah, but there's the Santa Claus house, and then here is the bakery. Yeah, but these are mini brick kits. They are not Lego size, but they are Lego style bricks. Here is the gift shop. I'll pick it up here so you can see. Yeah, so I really like these mini brick kits because I have a small house, so they fit nicely in my small house. Here's the back side. The thing, I love this kit, but I do remember it being a little too hard in some areas. There was an area here that just kept falling apart, or falling off, so I just took it out of there because they really didn't need to be in there in the first place. They did more than they really needed to. Yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful kit. I think it's really sparks the imagination with it because it's so cute. It has so many things to look at. You got these toys in the window here and on this side. Yeah, so we'll get these other three built and on camera here, of course, and then we'll give them a review individually, and we'll probably do a review all together just like I'm doing with this intro video. Alright, here we go. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.